You know, when you see a child, there's a difference between kids and a difference between picking. The first thing people admire about a mother is how she takes care of her children.
Yeah, I'm his little baddie. Yeah, I'm his little boo babe. And yeah, I got that fatty.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimbele and today's video is a skincare video. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you like it here. Please don't make it your last time. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I create videos like lifestyle vlogs, beauty, skincare related video and story time. So I hope you like it here. Please don't make it your last time. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today's video is a skincare review. We're talking about a skincare product meant for kids and it is called Olaybact Kids and Teen. I got this product July. Like I am the most consistent YouTuber. Let's just speak positivity. Positive affirmation. So help me God. Let me just say I'm the most consistent YouTuber and I'm so sorry I haven't been creating videos on YouTube due to my new job. I just started a new business. That is why I haven't been consistent on YouTube. So I am here to create this video now. I'm supposed to create it last month, but I was waiting for a good result, a good review to show you guys because we are keeping it real, yeah. So I'm talking about Olaybact Kids and Teen. You know, when you see a child, there's a difference between kids and a difference between picking. There is a difference. It is every joy of a mother to see their kids looking good. It is every joy. Like once people notice your child is looking good, they even crave to have that child. You even crave to like have a family. But once the child does not look good, like it is your future. Once you take good care of a child, you have to invest in them. It is every joy of a mother. The first thing people admire about a mother is how she takes care of her children. Once they look good, she feels good because this is her children. It shows she's taking good care of them. And people would be like, oh, I wish I can even have a kid. I wish I can take care of my kids. And please, you don't have to use what your friend is using. I am here to tell you about a product that works great for kids. You don't have to use Funbact A mixed with pears, oh, because your neighbor are using it. No, because your friends are using it. This Olaybact Kids and Teen, I wish I have it here. I would have shown you guys, but I already sent it home to my mom to use it on my kid's sister. And she even wants to get more. I will show you guys so many messages. I will show you guys reviews. Our kids, they go to school, children, they go to school to play under the sun and you notice, oh, they look rough, they're getting dark. You need Olaybact Kids and Teen to help you improve your children's skin, to help you maintain it, to help it stay moisturized. Olaybact Kids and Teen skin, it's meant for 6 months upward. Yes, 6 months upward, not for a baby under 1 month. Once it's 6 months, it is NAFDAC registered, it is dermatologist approved. Once you get Olaybact Kids and Teen, you don't have to wait for 7 days action or 3 days action cream. No, that's not how it works. Most cream that works like that contain harsh chemicals. No, it doesn't work. Olaybact Kids and Teen, it's made with natural ingredients. It contains coconut oil, it contains shea butter, and it contains vitamin. Trust me, it is really good. It smells very natural and it feels very natural because she was even asking me like, I love how this cream feels so cool. Like it feels cool and it absorbs into the skin easily. It helps you moisturize. You can even use it as an adult. You can use it as your hand cream. It feels so cool. It absorbs into the skin. She was even like, it doesn't feel like my own cream. It doesn't feel like my own cream that feels hot. That was what she was telling me. Like, this cream feels so cool. I wish I can get more. And I was like, oh fine, it is very affordable. I will send the supplier's number. It feels really, really cool. It's meant for kids. You don't have to use your own body cream for your kids. It doesn't work that way. It is not good. Don't use your own body cream for your kids. Like, it doesn't work that way. Use a nice cream because their skin is really tender. What kind of cream do you want to get at the market if not Olaybact Kids and Teen? I don't understand. Like, hello, that is what you need to get for your kids. Even white people moisturize their skin, and Olaybact Kids and Teen, it's meant to moisturize and maintain their skin. It helps. It contains coconut oil which gives good moisture to the skin and it absorbs into the skin very well and it feels so cool and it smells really great. Once you feel the smell, you know, oh, this is really natural. You don't have to use organic products for your children. It might work for some and it might not work for some. It depends on what is inside the organic product, because some people will just write, oh, organic natural product, but you don't know they added some harsh chemicals inside that product. You don't have to bleach their skin. You have to use something that would maintain that product, because most of these kids, once they go to school and get back, they look so messed up, like for real. I would like you to watch out for the original because the packaging has been rebranded, and I'll leave the number of the supplier in the description and somewhere on the screen. It is very affordable, and you have to watch out for the name written on the bottle. It is crested Olaybact. It's crested Olaybact, and there is a mole on the pack for you to watch out for when getting Olaybact kits. And the fact about this product is it absorbs into the skin. It's not like those cream you apply and then you start sweating before leaving the house. No, Olaybact doesn't work that way. And it is dermatologist tested. It smells natural. It feels very light on this. When I sent it home, she really liked it. After using it, I had to like go home and take a picture of my kid sister. The changes, I saw how light it looks. Like she's a very light person, but she started going to school. She now looks very dark. She just entered high school and now she looks very dark. Like she doesn't really take care of herself. And my mom was even like, oh, she doesn't even rub this cream, like she does not maintain her skin, but this cream is worth it. Even when she does not rub it, sometimes she does not rub it. I will leave the supplier's contact in the description and somewhere on the screen, so you know you're getting the original one, which has Olaybact crested on the bottom and a mole on the pack. It is rebranded. Please, as a mother, make sure you avoid all the 7 days cream on your kids or all this tube lotion cream. It doesn't help their skin. They have very soft, tender skin. You don't have to use that on their skin. You can still get Olaybact kit and tin, which contains natural ingredients. To see changes on their skin, it will glow their skin. You don't have to use what your friends are using. You don't have to even use your own body cream on your kids. Please, you have to maintain their skin. Okay, that is what people would see when they see you. Don't know, oh, you're really investing in your kids. Please do me a favor, make sure you share this video with mothers and your friends out there, and make sure you leave reviews below if you have tried this Olaybact kit and seen on your children. Please leave a comment below and let's relate in the comment section below. This is my second video on Olaybact product. My previous video was on Olaybact triple action cream, which helps any skin damages. Like it helps get rid of any skin damages, and it really works. It works like magic. I have a review on that video. You guys should make sure you check it out. And thank you guys so much for being here again. Thank you guys so much for not unsubscribing. I really appreciate it. Despite the fact that I am not consistent, I will try as much as to be consistent. I will try to manage my time. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and please make sure you share to mothers out there. They don't have to use Funbact A. They don't have to mix so many cream on their kids. They don't even have to use their own cream on their kids. They have to get this, and they should watch out for the new packaging. Okay, I'll leave their contact in the screen. Thank you guys so much for being here. Hope to see you in my next on any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.